Cutting firewood to the length that you need for your wood stove. Have you ever had the struggle of you don't know how long or how short to cut your firewood? Well, coming up, we're going to show you how to do this the manual way to ensure it's the same length all the time. Hey, if you enjoy these outdoor videos, be sure to hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and drop a deuce in the comments. How do you like your wood? Short or long? Hey, so today we got the trees that have fallen down. And late last week, I did a video with the Kubota 2501 and the grapple where we moved this off the UTV trail. We're back to cut this stuff up, and I got the old pig, cow, zebra. So we're gonna measure our wood 20 inches. We're gonna cut that baby up. We got the old cow print tape measure out. We're gonna measure 20 inches for a long piece of wood. What size wood do you like? So right here is 20 inches. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some spray paint. We're gonna spray that baby and mark it. Then we're gonna move on from there. All right, so we're gonna go 20 inches. This tape measure is not too stiff. So there's 20. Nothing but like white on snow, baby. So there's 20. There's another 20. Another 20. Another 20. So there you go, cutting firewood to length for your wood stove or your fireplace. I know, it was white paint, I know, that's all I had. Sometimes you gotta go with what you got. So what more can you ask for? White paint with a cow print tape measure. You guys like that? Drop a comment below. All right, we just cut up a small tree here real quick that was out here in the trail. Definitely a lot more trees down. We're gonna drive around the property down the other trail. We want you to come with us. Let's see if there's any other trees down so we can cut those up this weekend. Thanks for stopping by the Mint and Dad. Please hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time on the Mint and Dad.